I'm Tom Johnson, Thomas Johnson Antique Furniture Restoration in Gorham, Maine. Today I'm going to show you a different type of video. Many of you who've been watching my channel for years know that woodworking runs in my family. I started in my father's shop when I was 13, as did my brothers. My daughter Emily started in my shop when she was 7. Here's a photo of her getting in her first billable hours sanding a tabletop. Don't worry, it's legal to hire your own children. You may have also seen her in a few of my videos helping out with some difficult tasks. Today, Emily has continued the family woodworking tradition, opening her own business in Portland, Oregon, framing original art for artists and galleries. So here's a video from her website which shows the process of making frames from sustainably harvested local hardwoods. Enjoy the video and be sure to visit her website and Instagram, which are both linked in the description.